Good afternoon, James. It's Clay Rivenbark out here at Tameron Honda. I wanted to thank you so much for your internet inquiry. We are very, very interested in your 2010 Mustang GT. As somebody that used to work for Ford, I would love to have that vehicle here. I know we're going to put a great figure on it, so let's see when you can bring it by. Give me a call, 256-600-6525. We're going to schedule a time that we can actually have our wholesalers and our buyers here to look at that GT. So you're going to get the best trade-in value for that vehicle you absolutely can. I've got that F-150 you inquired about right behind me. As you can see, it's that crimson red tint coat. Great color, very popular color. Got the chrome wheels as well as almost a brand new set of Michelins all the way around it. 87,000 miles. This vehicle's been very well taken care of. You'll notice you also got the chrome step sides as well as bed liner already in the vehicle. This is the manufacturer's bed liner. As you can see, the Ford logo right there at the top. A lot of other great features. Give me a call. I'd love to show it to you so we can put hands on your trade. You can take a look at ours. My number again, 256-600-6525. And I can promise you one thing, Mr. Askew, when you come to Tameron Honda here in Hoover, you're going to love the way you're treated.